Accidents happen, but the above Oneclick 2 umbrella ensures any damages to your umbrellas don't have to be expensive ones. Our Oneclick 2 includes a replaceable rib system that can save you the cost of the entire umbrella by replacing just the damaged ribs. Anyone can do it, and it only takes a few minutes to turn your umbrella from unusable back to ready to go again. In addition to simplifying repairs, Above's patio umbrellas are built to last, able to endure heavy rain and sun exposure. The steel-reinforced pole and ribs plus a wind vent system keep your umbrella from blowing away, while durable polyester canvas retains its color after long-term outdoor use. Setting up your Oneclick 2 umbrellas is also made easy with our built-in crank, letting you raise and lower your canopy with ease. You can also provide different shading areas using the tilt push button without having to reposition your umbrella. Have the peace of mind you need no matter where you go. Oneclick 2, where durability meets simplicity outdoors.